Hey guys, Mr. D. Philippus here. Today we're going to be doing lesson 7.7, which is adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So there's going to be a few videos posted that have a few different examples of these. So make sure that you watch each example because each type of addition problem is going to offer you different things and challenge you in different ways. So you want to make sure that you have all of the different ways watched before you start to do this lesson. So the first thing I want to start off by doing is reviewing just some key addition and subtraction words so that when we see them, we know and we remember what these mean. So for addition, if I see the word total, they want us to add. If I see the word sum, S-U-M, that means they want an answer to an addition problem. Okay? For subtraction, this is the word you're going to see a lot of in this week's lessons. Difference. So it'll say find the difference. If it says that, it means it wants to know what's the answer to the subtraction problem. Okay? And then finally, how many more is another one that's going to be a giveaway to let us know that they want subtraction. All right, so while I'm erasing my slate, I want you to listen to what you need right now because as I'm doing the problems, you're going to have to follow along with me and make sure that you're writing these down as well. So you need your slate or your notebook, dry erase marker and or a pencil, your unit 7.7 notes that look like this, and then finally your unit 7 book. So pause the video, make sure you have those things, and go ahead and get them now. All right, we are going to be looking at page 424 in our unit 7 math book. At the bottom, we're going to start with number 1. All right, now right away the directions say write the sum as a mixed number. So I know that word SUM, sum, means that they want an answer to an addition problem. So the problem reads, let's write this down together, 1 and 1/6 plus 3 and 3/6. Okay, so write that down. Now when I'm doing addition problems with mixed numbers, I'm always going to be starting with the fractions. Okay, first. Ignore the whole numbers for right now. First thing I want to check for my fractions are the denominators the same. If they are, that's less work for us, which is awesome. Okay, now in this case, they are the same. I have a 6 and a 6. We learned 2 weeks ago that if my denominators are the same, I simply have to just add the numerators. So what's 1 plus 3? 4. So our numerator is going to be 4. Don't forget your fraction line. And then our denominator is going to stay the same, which is 6. Okay? Now, all I have to do is I'm going to move to my whole numbers. And I can see I'm going to add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So my answer is 4 and 4/6. There's one final thing though I have to do. And I want you to know this because it's going to be very important as you guys move on to 5th grade. That most of these 5th grade teachers next year are going to expect you to write your answers in their simplest form possible. So if you forget simplest form, you want to flip back to your math journal. Your notes are in there for lesson 6.3. So I'm not going to do all this right now because you guys should know this. But like I said, if you need to, go look in your notes. Simplest form, we find the factors of 4 and 6. I'm not messing with the whole number. The whole number stays, okay? My factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. My factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. I'm going to circle the greatest common factor, which would be 2. And I'm going to divide both the top and the bottom by that greatest common factor, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now I can move my whole number back. So my answer is going to be 4 and 2/3. That's my final answer. Now, this is still correct, 4 and 4/6, guys, but we want to make sure that our fraction 4/6 is in its simplest form. Because, like I said, when you guys move to 5th grade, that's going to be a requirement. So it's good to get in that habit now. All right? All right. Make sure you watch the next video because the next one's going to be a little bit different.